come to your door to see you again. Where you once stood, the old man instead. I think I did this in the video. Asked where you've been, said she's moved on. You see, do you remember Snow? All I have is this number. You better ask her number. So I picked up the phone and dialed your number. Not sure to put it down or speak. And then a voice I once knew answered in a sweet voice. She said hello, then paused before I began to speak. Babe, I'm here again. I tell you I'm here again. Where have you been? Babe, I'm back again. I tell you I'm back again. Where have you been? Where